Hi scholarly friends, if you want to know how to block and unblock people in Google Drive, then keep on watching this video. If you don't want to get file shares from someone in Google Drive, you can block the file owner from Drive. If you use Google Drive for work or school, you can block someone in your domain. When you block someone, they won't be able to share files with you. You won't be able to share files with them unless you unblock them first. They won't be able to access any of your files and you won't be able to access any of theirs. When you block or unblock someone, there may be a short delay for this to affect Google Drive. So to block the owner of a file on your computer, go to drive.google.com, right-click on a file, in the menu, click Block, and finally in the window, just click the Block button. To unblock a person in your Drive, at the top right, click your profile picture and click Manage your Google account. Click People and Sharing, then Blocked. Here you can see a list with accounts you blocked across Google products. Next to that person's name, select Remove. And that's it. If you have any question, comment down below. If this video has helped you, say thanks by hitting the like and subscribe button.